Hey everyone, I'm Saksona Shajib and this is Abrar Prash. We're from Tech Nucleus. Today we're here to have a collaboration project with Binary Logic. I'm sorry to say we don't have anyone from Binary Logic here. Tech specs are displayed on the screen. You can hit the pause to see them. So we have a motherboard here. This is from Gigabyte H110M. I selected this because it has a socket of 1151, which translates in layman's term as we can put here the Intel's latest 6th gen Skylake processors. So let's open this up. You can see here it's really simple. The packaging is you get a SATA cable and the motherboard and some legal instructions, driver DVD. You can actually throw this away because you'll always have to download the latest drivers from the manufacturer's product page. And here the most important thing, IO shield. Don't forget this. Keep this in a safe place. So we will start working above the cardboard page. The cardboard. Start. Abra Prash will show you how to do this thing. Okay, let's put this thing aside. So here is the motherboard. Okay, so now we will go for the CPU. This CPU is Intel's latest 6th generation Skylake Core i3. 6098P, core count is 2 cores, 4 threads, clock speed of 3.6 GHz, cache memory is 3 MB and has Intel HD graphics 510. Let's open this up. We have our anti-gutter here. Yeah. This packaging is way simple. We have some legal instructions from Intel. Now you see this big thing is actually the stock CPU cooler. This is the stock CPU cooler. It has thermal compounds applied here already. Keep it safe, don't touch it. Now here is the processor. So let's get this one out. Actual processor, you see this is really small but the packaging is really big. Okay, let's open this up. The board, you will have to open the retention bracket and you have to be really careful to put the CPU in place. You see here's a small arrow at the edge of the CPU and there's a big arrow in the motherboard. You'll have to align those arrows and put the CPU in place. You need to be really careful about this because it has sensitive pins on it. Now put the retention bracket back into places. It may take some pressures to be applied. Okay, now the CPU has been installed. We'll have to install the stock cooler. Some thermal compounds are applied in the stock cooler. Now we'll just have to align it to the motherboard holes and holes for the screws. These are some push pins, so you'll have to push them in. So align them and push them in an X order. Now you'll have to do some cable managing and round this so that it doesn't get stuck with the fan, and put this in the fan header of the motherboard. Now the cable management is not good yet.
Can you please take a time to just look at this stupid's face?
Now we'll have to take the RAM. The RAM is G.Skill DDR4 fast 2133 MHz. You'll have to align the notch in the motherboard with the dent in the RAM. Show it to the camera. Yeah, you can see there's a dent in the RAM stick and there's a notch in the motherboard. Align that and apply some pressure to both sides. Now the retention brackets will automatically go back to its place if the RAM is installed correctly. Now our motherboard installation and the basic system components are installed. Now we will have to work with the case. we get a power cord, some power supply cables, and some header cables for the front I/O, and some screws are attached here. Remember the I/O shield? I said this is important. Remember to put it in place before putting the motherboard in. Take the I/O shield and take it into place and apply some pressures. It will stay in place. Now this is your newly built computer. Look at this. Set everything up and connect your monitors and connect this seat to the power socket. Now push the power button and see if it boots. Oh wait, I have forgot to turn this power.
Why didn't you do something? You should have done something!
Supply on. Now push the power button and see if the LEDs in the power button and every other thing works. If the fan works, you will feel it. Now I have selected Windows 10 because of the latest drivers updates and every availabilities. So we will have to start installing the Windows now. Okay guys, thank you for watching our long video. Actually this PC which we just built is the most budget friendly PC. It's really good for home and office users, and you can play mid-range games in that in spite of not having a graphics card. And this PC takes really less power because it has the latest Intel processors and stuff. So this is really good for your home, and you can build your own PC seeing this tutorial, I think. So you can see our specifications. We will list the specifications down below with a link to our forum. You can see that and buy those components by yourself and do this thing. Thank you. So signing out from Techniplus. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. We enjoyed making this video and hope it helped you a bit. And don't forget to smash the like button hard and share it with your friends. Thank you.